Well, Winston County residents are feeling nervous tonight as their one and only hospital could be shut down in just a month.
But city leaders say they're working hard to prevent that. CBS 42's Jack Royer in Haleyville tonight, where he's been talking to residents. Jack?
Jim, I've been talking to people in Haleyville who were inside City Hall for more than 2 hours earlier at a meeting with local, state, and national leaders. And while there's no consensus just yet on what needs to happen to keep this hospital open, people here do seem to agree on one thing. This is a matter of life and death. Lakeland Community Hospital in Haleyville is bleeding money. That's why Cure Health, the nonprofit parent company, tells us they want to close the property at the end of the year, divesting one of the 3 hospitals they own in rural parts of Alabama, saying they can't afford to keep this one running any longer.
Different hospitals have different opportunities to provide a certain level of services, and so I think this community is going to have to figure out what that appropriate level of service is for them. Clapp
says 3 paths forward were discussed in tonight's meeting, like raising the local sales tax to help supplement operating costs, or converting it into a critical access hospital, a designation for rural health centers that could allow essential services at a lower cost. But Haleyville's mayor is hoping he can find a buyer for the hospital to keep it running as is. But right now, he just needs more time.
The emergencies aren't going to go away. But if that hospital closes on December the 31st, I've got to have some way or some means right now to provide for the citizens of this community.
What will you do if you can't continue working here?
I have to leave and get a job.
Kathy Lovett has been a nurse at Lakeland for 30 years. She's one of the 87 employees now worried about their jobs and the lives of the patients they serve.
People are going to lose their lives because they can't get the help they need.
A November surprise for a Winston County hospital now trying to stop the bleeding. Officials and residents of Haleyville alike are both angry that they didn't know about this problem sooner and wonder if now 30 days will be enough to find a solution that can keep their one and only hospital up and running. We'll keep you posted. For now, reporting live in Haleyville, Jack Royer, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.